Formatting text. You can change the appearance of text to make it stand out or eye-catching. Changing text case. Sometimes in a document, you may need to change the case of the text. That is, the text you have written in small letters should have been written in capital letters, uppercase, or vice versa. You can do this without retyping the text by using Change Case option. There are 5 case options offered by Word. Sentence case. The first character in the sentence will be changed in uppercase and the rest will be in lowercase. Lowercase. All characters will be changed in lowercase, small letters. Uppercase. All characters will be changed in uppercase, capital letters. Capitalize each word. First character of each word will be capital, and the rest will be small. Toggle case. It will reverse the case of letters or selected text. 1. Select the text that you want to change to a new case style. 2. Click on Home tab. 3. Click on Change Case button. The Change Case menu appears. 4. Select the case style you want to use. The text you selected changes to the new case style. In this example, we have used uppercase style. To deselect the text, click anywhere outside the selected area. Keyboard shortcut. Press Alt plus R plus S keys to check the spelling and grammar of text in the document. Press Alt plus F7 keys to find the next spelling or grammatical error. Press F7 key to choose the spelling command. Keyboard shortcut. You can press Shift plus F7 keys to use thesaurus. You can press Alt plus R plus C keys to suggest other words with similar meaning to the word you have selected. Changing font of the text. You can change the font of text to enhance the appearance of the document. 1. Select the text you want to change to a different font, not shown. 2. Click on Home tab. 3. Click on the down arrow of font. 4. Click on the font you want to use. The text you selected changes to the new font. In this example, we have used Beignet BKBT font. To deselect text, click outside the selected area. Changing the font size of text. Font size controls the size of the font, generally measured in points. You can increase or decrease the size of the text in your document. 1. Select the text you want to change to a different font size. 2. Click on Home tab. 3. Click on the down arrow of font size. 4. Click on the size you want to use. The text you selected changes in the new size. Making the text bold, italic or underline. You can make text bold, italic or underline to emphasize information in your document. 1. Select the text. 2. Click on Home tab. 3. Click on one of the following buttons. Bold, or press Ctrl plus B. Italic, or press Ctrl plus I. Underline, or press Ctrl plus U. The text you selected appears in the new style. This example applies bold style to the selected text. To remove the bold, italic or underline style, repeat steps 1 to 3. Changing the color of text. Color of the text can be changed to draw attention towards headings or important information in your document. 1. Select the text you want to format. 2. Click on Home tab. 3. Click on the down arrow of font color. 4. Click on a color. Word applies color to the text. In this example, we have applied red color to the text. Aligning the text. You can align text in different ways to give your document a professional look. By default, the text is aligned to left in Word. 1. Select the text that you want to align. 2. Click on Home tab. 3. Click on one of the following buttons. Align left, to left align the text, or Ctrl plus L. Center, to center align the text, or Ctrl plus E. Align right, to right align the text, or Ctrl plus R. Justify, to justify text between the left and right margins, or Ctrl plus J. The text is displayed with the new alignment. In this example, we have chosen Justify Alignment. To deselect the text, click outside the selected area.